All right, Anand, thank you very much for sharing these details and giving us the latest inputs. Now it's time to shift our focus to other development. India has struck back at the terrorists responsible for the February 8th attack on the Indian Army personnel in Rajouri district, eliminating 2 militants, including a Pakistan Army soldier, Havaldar Sajjad Khoja. The strike, which took place opposite Rajouri, marks a strong response to cross-border threats and reinforces India's commitment to projecting and protecting the security forces. A video which now shows senior Pakistani army officials attending Khoja's funeral, where they vowed retaliation. All right, viewers. In fact, as you can see in the visuals, Pakistani army was punished by the Indian army, which retaliated in heavy manner on the cross-border threats and violations. All right, Ajay Jandial, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast. Ajay, Pakistan violates the ceasefire along the LOC and Indian army retaliates heavily. Pak troops have suffered heavy casualties after Indian army retaliates to the ceasefire violations in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch as well. What are you picking up and what is the latest that you can share with us as far as this development is concerned?
See, what was happening for last several days, that Pakistan was continuously targeting the, Indian army troops on the line of control. Also, they were trying to push in the terrorists, and we have seen that in last several days, 2 back-to-back infiltration attempts was foiled and 3 ID blasts has taken place. In Poonch sector, they tried to target the Indian army personnel, those who were doing patrolling over there. They carried out an ID attack on the Indian army troops and Pakistani army and the terrorists. They basically, they jointly operating in this area to target the defense forces and on the line of control, and for that purpose, security forces, they are definitely were on the alert. And yesterday, when once again they violated ceasefire, Pakistani forces, they tried to target the Indian army troops over there in the line of control of Sundrabani and the Poonch sector area. They immediately retaliated very effectively, and in which Pakistani terrorists and Pakistani forces Jawan, they were killed in the retaliation, and that was required as well, because what was happening, that Pakistan was basically again and again trying to disturb peace on the line of control, and ceasefire violation has taken place. Indian army was patiently responding to the Pakistani troops and asking them not to do such things, because it is not going to help Pakistan or anybody else. But when Pakistan did not understand, then this retaliation has taken place, which basically resulted in the casualty to the Pakistani forces and the terrorists across the line of control in Poonch and the Sundrabani sector area.
All right, Ajay, thank you very much for sharing these details. And in fact, the visuals that we can see have also narrated the audio in a manner. Let's now listen in to what, in fact, he has said.
अल्लाह ताला शहीद के दर्जात बुलंद फरमाए, इनकी जो फैमिली है, बच्चे हैं, अल्लाह ताला उनको सब्र दे। इस मौके पे बहुत सब्र की जरूरत है, अल्लाह ताला इनको बहुत सब्र दे। पहले ये सिर्फ हवलदार सजाद के बच्चे थे, अभी ये पाकिस्तान आर्मी के बच्चे। आज़ाद कश्मीर की जो सरजमीन है, ये है ही शुहदा और गाजियों की सरजमीन। इसकी आज़ादी से लेकर आज तक इसके बेशुमार सपूत इसकी आज़ादी हासिल करने के लिए और इसकी आज़ादी को कायम रखने के लिए आज भी इस धरती के बच्चे और जवान शहीद हो रहे हैं। लेकिन मैं आपको एक चीज का यकीन दिलाता चलूं कि हवलदार सजाद जिस मकसद के लिए शहीद हुआ, जिस मकसद के लिए इसने अपनी जान दी, वो मकसद इंशाल्लाह हम पूरा करेंगे। वो मकसद आजाद की,
वो जो मकसद है वो इस आज़ाद कश्मीर की हिफाजत है और मकबूजा कश्मीर की आज़ादी है। इंशाअल्लाह हवलदार शहीद ने अपनी जान दी है, वो मकसद इंशाअल्लाह हम पूरा करेंगे। इंशाअल्लाह ये तो इसकी कुर्बानी है, ये रायगा नहीं जाएगी। इसका इंशाअल्लाह हम जिस तरीके से दुश्मन ने हमारे पे वार किया है, उसका हम भरपूर जवाब देंगे इंशाअल्लाह। बहुत जल्द इसका हम बताएंगे। अल्लाह ताला सजाद के बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा सब्र दे, शहीद के दर्जात के बारे में इसी साहब ने बहुत सारी बात की और हम सबको पहले अंदाजा है कि ये इंशाल्लाह जन्नत के दरवाजे पे अपने वालिदैन और अपने बच्चों का इंतजार करें इंशाल्लाह।
Now, viewers, on that note, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments.